Mama,
I better rest today. Make I go market, go sell everything for you.
no be your work na my own.
Mama, no worry. I go do am well.
Okay, my pikin. God go bless you.
Come by, oh. Everything fresh, everything cheap. Thank you. Mama, I sell everything. See money.
My pikin.
You no go ever lack. God go bless you, my sweet pikin, my joy.
Amen, Mama. Thank you.
Shocked, right? The entire movie you just watched was made with AI. No camera, no actors, just Google VO3 and some great creativity. And in this tutorial, I'm about to show you step by step the exact way that I made that happen. I will also share with you the exact prompts that I use, and I will teach you how to craft your own perfect prompt so VO3 gives you the best result every single time. So before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are yet not to subscribe, and please don't skip any part of this video because every step is vital if you want your own movie to come out good and perfect. With all that being said, let's dive in. First thing first, head over to Google and type Google VO3. Once you type it, click on it. It's going to take you to an interface like this. So you are here, make sure you scroll down and look for the ones that has DeepMind. That's Google DeepMind. This exact one. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and it's going to take you to an interface just like this. Once you are here, click on Try in Flow. It's going to load up and it will bring you here. As you know, you cannot access Google VO3 if you are not a subscriber. But the beautiful part is you can actually have access to Google VO3 for the first 1 month. That's the first 30 days. It will be free. You can use it to generate as many video as you want. Okay, I've done the video on my channel on how you can get access to Google VO3 for free for the first 1 month using your Nigeria back card. They will not charge you a dime. I've done a video. I'll be leaving it in the description of this video, and this is the thumbnail of the video showing up on your screen right now. So after watching this video, just go there and watch the video so that you will know how you can subscribe to VO3 for you to start generating your amazing videos. Okay, so what you do next, just click on Create with Flow. Once you click on Create with Flow, it's going to load up and it's going to bring you to an interface just like this. So this is how Google VO3 interface look like, and these are some of the project I have done here. Okay, as you can see, mine is showing pro because I've already subscribed, as I earlier said. Okay, so let me walk you through on how this Google VO3 works. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, it's going to load and it will bring you here. This place that says text to video, click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see 3 different elements here. The first one says text to video, the second one says frame to video, and the third one says ingredients to video. Let me explain the 3. The first one, as the name implies, text to video. It means when you put in text, it's going to generate a video for you based on the text you've imputed. Okay, so the second one that says frame to video, you can actually upload an image for it to turn it into a video. And the third one is the combination of the first and second one, if that makes sense. When you click on this icon here, an interface like this will pop up. This first one that says output per prompt, it means how many video do you want to generate when you input your prompt. Mind you, you can generate 1, 2, 3 or 4, but the more videos you generate, the more credit you are consuming. So I'll just be putting my own at 1. Okay, so when you click on this place here that said VO3 fast, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. The first one says VO3 fast. This VO3 fast, it will generate your video for you. It will add audio, it will add soundtrack, it will add effects if your video needs effect. This ones that say VO2 fast, it will generate the same kind of video for you, but there will be no audio or sound effect. You'll just be seeing images. Okay, the third one that says VO3 quality, it has a better audio than VO3 fast. Okay, and this last one that says VO2 quality, It also a very good one, but it does not have audio. So anyone here you choose here, it's nice depending on what you are trying to create. But I'm just going to be putting that in video 3 first because I want my video to have sound effects, voice and everything. It should just be like a real video that I will not need to edit anything. Okay, so I'll just click on video 3 first. I think that's pretty much everything, so let's go back and start creating our videos. Okay, I'll just go ahead and paste in my first prompt. Okay, so after pasting it, I'll just click on this arrow for it to start generating our video. Okay, as you can see, our video is generating. Okay, I'm going to be leaving all these prompts in my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. And in this video, I'll also be teaching you step by step on how you can craft your own unique prompts for you to get good quality and well detailed with consistent character images in your video. Okay, as we all know, the success of your video depends 100% on the kind of prompt you put in. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how you can be able to craft good unique prompts for your videos. Just stick with me. As you can see, our video is ready. Let's play it to see what it looks like.
Mama,
Abeg rest today. Make I go market go sell everything for you.
no be your work na my own.
Did you see that? This is really beautiful. Wow, this is awesome. I kid you not. Just with simple text prompts and we have a full-blown scene. Everything is just in place. This is really awesome. So let me just grab my second prompt for the second scene and let's create this magic together again. I just grabbed my second prompt, paste it here, click on this arrow and let's see what Google View 3 has for us. As you can see, our video has started generating. Just give it a few seconds, depend on your internet connection. It might take a minute or so, and it's going to generate a beautiful video that is going to blow your mind. As you can see, our video is ready. So let's play it to see how it looks like.
Mama, no worry. I go do am well.
Okay, my pikin. God go bless you.
Mama, no worry. I go do am well.
Okay, my pikin. God go bless you.
Did you see that? That was simply very cool and amazing. We just test prompt. Google View 3 was able to give us that kind of video. That video really blew my mind. If you are getting value from this video, please type helpful value in the comment section. And this is the right time for you to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet not to do so. So let's continue. So if you want to download your video, just click on this arrow here and it's going to bring out these options for you. Once it brings out this option, you can choose to upscale the video if you want, but I'm just going to be downloading my own original size, which is 720p. I'll just download it. That's how you are going to download all your videos when you are done generating them. Okay, now let me teach you step by step on how you can actually craft the right prompts for your video. Okay, the prompts that I use to generate all these videos in this particular tutorial, I've left them on my Telegram channel. I'll be leaving the link in the description, so do well to check out the link if you want this exact prompts that I use on this video. Now let me teach you how you can actually craft the best prompt that is going to give you that best video for that particular prompt you've put it into Google VO3. So head over to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, just give ChatGPT your idea. That's if you have an idea on the kind of movie you want to create. Let me explain. So I went to ChatGPT. I said, hey chat. ChatGPT reply, hey, how can I help you today? Okay, so I went further to tell ChatGPT. I said I want to create a video on how to create a Nollywood village movie with Google VO3. So ChatGPT is giving me some ideas that I can use, suggesting the title and all of that. But I've read through what ChatGPT gave to me I don't really like any. Okay, now I'm going to put in my idea to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can help me refine it into a profound and a very interesting storyline. So I went further to tell ChatGPT, I said, I don't like this. Let me give you my idea, the kind of movie I want to create, so you could help me refine it and give me detailed video prompts that Google VO3 can easily work with. Okay, so after that, I just go ahead and paste in my idea. After pasting in my idea, I click on send and let ChatGPT do the magic. As you can see, ChatGPT has helped me refine my story. Started with the story summary, then the title of the story, and it begins to break it down into scene. As you can see, scene 1, daughter convincing mother to rest and all of that. So it gives me the description of the daughter and it gives me the detailed image prompt for the first scene. Okay, if you check all these scenes, you will see that the character is being consistent. I want the lady to be in her 20s and the mother should be in her 40s. But what I see here is that the attire, that's the clothes they will be putting on, ChatGPT do not make it to be same across all scenes. So what you can do is for you to tell ChatGPT the color of the clothes or the way you want them, the way you want your character to dress across all the scenes. Write it out and tell ChatGPT to input it in the prompt that this is what you want the character to be dressing. Whatever you want, tell ChatGPT and ChatGPT is going to reframe or is going to refine this prompt for you in order for you to have consistent character across all your scenes. Okay, if you notice the video you watched in the intro of this tutorial, you will see that my character, that's the mother and the daughter, which were the main character of the story, they were consistent because this was how I told ChatGPT to generate the prompt for me in order for the main character, that's the major character, to be consistent across all scenes. And ChatGPT did just that. So that's how you can prompt ChatGPT for it to give you the best prompt for your videos. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now, click on it and you will be glad you did. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.